Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? So let's start how to print hello world in all the programming languages that exist and a developer does use regularly. So let's start from R. So in R, if you wanna print hello world, just need to write the print function actually. So and write print function and write code and just write whatever you wanna print and then just run it. Then wait a second. This is hello world that's how you can print in R programming language. Let's start. See how to print hello world in Python, because Python and R are very similar actually. Okay? So in Python, same to same like R. If you wanna see print, I mean, if you wanna print something, then you just need to write the Python function and just write double or single quotes and then just write whatever you wanna print. Hello world. Okay, world. Just run, then you will see the output. Yeah, TypeScript and JavaScript is like two brother. They are extremely similar. So if you want to write if you want to print something, then you need to write console.log. So I need to refresh actually. I cannot write anything. So just you need to write just console.log and then just write whatever you want. Hello world. Okay, then just just run it. Don't forget to write this semicolon. So how you can write hello world in TypeScript. So similar to JavaScript. So let's jump to JavaScript. How you can write JavaScript hello world or print something. It's similar, same to same that you see in JavaScript, TypeScript. Just write console.log, console.log, log. Then just write what you want, hello world, ACLL, hello, okay, world, okay, world, okay. So just you can give end of semicolon or not, it doesn't matter in JavaScript actually. Okay, let's in C# you want to write hello, then you need to first of all import the system. So for instance of import, you need to write using actually here, using system, system, system. Perfect. Then you need to follow the syntax that you use in Java. It's like quite similar like Java. So what first of all you need to write a class, then give the class name whatever you want. Like I can give it's a hello world, hello world. Then write a function like public static void main string arguments, and then just write console and console write line, write line. Okay, write line. Okay, so whatever you want to print, write into here hello world. Okay, so just you need to write these things, then you can easily print hello world. Okay, so they're actually getting a problem. Let me okay, so only problem actually we mistake here. You need to write this as main should be capital. Let's rerun it and you get the output hello. Okay, so first of all you need to write a class, then a function. The function name should be main, and then you need to do argument, string, and arguments, and then whatever you want to write into the console. Write. So let's start how to print hello world in C. So for C you need to first of all include the header file, that is standard input output. Okay, and then just need to write a function, main function, and then you can just print if that is print function, and you can write here hello world, AC hello world. Okay, then just write. Seems very easy actually. If you can understand it, it's not very hard for you. But if you're a beginner, then it will be very hard, because not hard actually, it's will be difficult for you, because programming language is not easy. But if you can maintain the regularity, it won't be very hard for you. Okay, so let's go to C++. So for it's quite similar to actually C. So first of all, you need to include the header file, include. But here I need to input actually IO stream, stream stream. Okay, then just write integer main and same to same. Just write cout hello world, paste hello world. So one thing that we need to do, that is we can use using namespace space std, so space csc actually space std, right? So then just run it. That is hello world. How you can run it? C++. Okay, so we see almost. So let's go to Java. So how we can write hello world in Java. So Java is quite similar to Java is quite similar to actually C#. So you need to write, but you don't need to using or import something. Okay. So first of all, just write a class. Let's say main, or you can say hello world class. It's hello world class. And then just write a function, public static, same to same, quite same to same. Public static static void main. Then you need to write here strings, strings, then argument, same to same, quite same to same. Okay. But here, if you want to print something in Java, then you need to write system. Actually, you need to system dot out dot print. Okay. Then you can write here hello world. Then you can run it and you will get output. Let me see this. Hopefully we did not get any mistakes. So if we did, okay, we did not get any mistakes. So hello world is successful. So it's quite similar. But here you don't need to write main in capital letter, main M capital letter. You can write in small case, but in C# you need to write M capital letter. Okay? Okay, so fine. So let's start in C and C++. So time for C. Let's see how to write hello world in PHP. Okay, so first of all you need to write this line and then question. And then PHP, and end, you need to write these signs and just question right there. And you can write everything here. So for writing some, for printing something, you need to write actually echo. Echo. Then you can write here hello. So how you can write hello world in PHP? To write hello world in Rust. So for Rust, you need to write first of all a function. So fn as a function, then main, and write. So write hello world, you need to write print ln, then an exclamatory sign, and then write what you want. Hello world. Okay, let me see this. Okay, so how we can write hello world in Rust? Write hello world in Perl. So for writing hello world, you need to. It's quite similar actually in Python. Just write Python, then whatever you want. I mean, whatever you want to print, just write this hello world. Okay, so run this. So you can find hello world. So this is very easy actually. Okay, and this is very versatile also. See how to write hello world in Golang. So it's extremely fast and efficient programming language. So it's twice times faster than Python and more faster than C++. So you can imagine how efficient, how faster it is. So let's see how to write hello world here. So first of all, you need to actually import the package. So that is main. Let's see how to package main. And also, if you want to write something, then you need to import a library. You can say that is fmt. Okay? And you need to write a function. So main function, and then just write fmt dot print ln. Then just write whatever you want. Hello world. Okay, then just run. So it got out. So first of all, you need to get a package, then import fmt to help fmt can write hello world. Okay. Something. I mean, how to write hello world in Ruby. Ruby is a programming language that actually used for front end and back end of our websites, like a scripting language. It's also very easy for learn. Okay, so let's see how to write hello world. So you need to just write puts, and just write what you want. World. Okay, then just run it. You get the output. So Ruby is very easy actually. So let's see how to write hello world in Bash. So in Bash, you need to sounds similar actually to EAC. Just need to write echo, then whatever you want to actually print. Let's see hello world. You get the output. Okay, so this is the way you can write hello world in Bash. So let's see how to write hello world in Swift. Swift is extremely powerful. It's designed by Apple developers for developing Mac OS, watchOS, and tvOS. So actually, it's created for the Apple environment. Okay, so for write something, just need to write print and then put what you want. Just run it, and you get the output. It's very easy also. Okay, so all the programming languages, every programming language is very easy, but you need to know the basic concept. The basic concept of all programming languages is the same, but you need to know one, and you can shift any one. Okay. Hello world in Kotlin. So Kotlin is extremely versatile because you can write, you can do using it Android application development, backend application development. You can do it using, you can work front end of a website. Okay, so but it's not actually used for these. It actually use server side for backend development and application development. Okay, so let's see how to write hello world. So for you write hello, you need to just write a function and name print hello. Okay, just run. Okay, so you actually get a error. So how we can get hello world in Kotlin. Right. Hello world in Dust used for actually app development, actually cross-site app development. You can build the app and you can use it anywhere. Like you can use it in Apple, you can use it in Android. Yeah, it's like that. So how we can write hello world? Let's see. Void main, just write printf hello world. Okay, then run. Okay, sorry, mistake. Okay, so how we can write hello world in Dust. So thank you for watching the videos. For more interesting video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.